You get the deal. In today's video, I will show you the best way to achieve this visual effect on both text and video. And you will also get a little gift from me at the end of the video. So the first effect is called the Essential Motion 3.0. As you guys can see, it's $0, and actually the shake used on this footage right now is from this pack. So simply just type in $0 and download it right now, and then open it in Premiere Pro. If we just scroll down, there's lots of great effects here, but we're looking for the camera wiggle effect. We're going to be dropping this on our footage, and as you guys can see, instantaneously the effect looks pretty nice. And you can also use this on the text. So just type your text and then just drag it and drop it on top. The good thing about this is that it's drag and drop, so it's super easy to do. The next effect is going to be the Deadpool handheld shake. This is also a great shake. So just search for the Deadpool camera shake in your Google browser and then press the top link. As you guys can see, this website is, this is professionally made, and they actually have used these shakes in the movie. And that is why I wanted to also showcase this, because they used, for example, After Effects to simulate these camera shakes, and then they made it into a Premiere Pro presets. So as you guys can see, I'm now just dropping these effects on top of my picture, and this looks very good. But you need to also know that they will reset your size, so make sure to scale your pictures up yourself before applying this shake. So I love these shakes. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be recreating this inside of Adobe After Effects. We're going to be using something called expressions, and expressions is basically where you can copy and code and it will look very good. A lot of people prefer to do this rather than be using presets. So just copy in the values that I am doing right now, and you should get something like this. You can just adjust the values and the numbers to your liking, but this is what I like to use. And as you guys know, I have actually said that I was going to give you guys something for free. So if you go in the description, you can just press the top link and you will then get 2 of my shakes that I use, and I really enjoy them. And by the way, if you haven't joined Jonus Editing Club, then you need to do so ASAP. Jonus Editing Club is a community where you guys will receive video editing courses and also have the opportunity to ask me any questions. So I hope you found this video good, and also make sure to like and comment, and have a great day. Peace.